In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform an amazing PowerPoint magic trick, removing a background from an image right inside Microsoft PowerPoint. This simple yet powerful feature is perfect for polishing your slides, creating standout visuals, or giving your presentation that professional edge. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once it's open, go to the presentation that contains the image you want to edit. If you don't have one yet, no problem. Just create a new slide and insert the image you'd like to work with. Now, navigate to the specific slide that has your image. Click directly on the image to select it. This ensures that every change you make applies only to that image. At the top of the PowerPoint window, you'll see several tabs. Click on Picture Format. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to adjust and edit images. Within the Picture Format tab, look for the option that says Remove Background and click on it. PowerPoint will instantly analyze your image and highlight areas it thinks should be removed. These parts will appear with a purple overlay, indicating the background PowerPoint wants to cut out. Take a moment to review the highlighted areas. If it doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can manually refine the selection using the Mark Areas to Keep or Mark Areas to Remove tools. This gives you full control over what stays and what goes. Once you're satisfied with how the image looks, click Keep Changes. PowerPoint will finalize your selection and instantly remove the unwanted background. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've transformed your image, giving it a clean, transparent, and professional look, all without leaving PowerPoint. With a bit of practice, this trick becomes second nature, letting you create polished, eye-catching presentations with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you take your PowerPoint skills to the next level.